Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are actually going to create a craft inspired by somebody who already has like art out, I guess. I'll explain. So there's this YouTuber that his name is Brent TV. Totally check him out. I'll put his link in the description so you guys can click on that. He has this like art logo, and it's like a Brent TV, and it's like an old TV, like the you know, the old like black and white TV like boxes. That's like kind of like the logo he has, and it says Brent TV, and it's red and blue and white. Well, we're gonna work on that. We're gonna make that today for him, show him some love and some support for him and his girlfriend, who they're up and coming YouTubers. Let's see if we can make it something cute. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I tried to replicate his channel art, and it was a failure. It was not a success, which is why we had to change the entire craft canvas around. But honestly, I think I came out a little bit nicer, and it really shows a little bit of me, a little bit of them, and hopefully they like it, because I think it came out really cute. Alright, now that we have painted all the letters white and all the little nooks and crannies and everything, we're going to wait for it to dry. And then we're going to put the Brent in the actual like white glitter. And then the TV part, I'm going to put it in like red ruby glitter. And I think it's going to look really nice on the blue contrast background. I know he's staying with his theme, and hopefully he likes it. Hopefully the girlfriend likes it, because that is the goal. And if you don't like it, you better tell me, so I don't feel bad about myself that I knew first. Okay. So we're just going to wait for that, and then we're going to glitter it up, and hopefully it's going to look beautiful. Alright, so we have the Brent right here, and we have our glitter. So, the first thing we're going to need is adhesive spray. Yes. This is what is going to make the glitter stick onto our wood letters. And then we're going to take our white glitter, and we're just going to shake it on. 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 Look at me trying to be like Taylor Swift and shenanigans when I can't sing. Alright, make sure we get all the little levels of letters, and then shake it off, and then we're going to do one more coat of this, just because I want it to not see any of the black in the background. Alright, and there we go. Boom. We just need one more coat, so we gotta let this dry. Okay, we're going to do the same process with the TV. So we are going to get the spray adhesive. Spray it, boom, boom. Alright. And we are going to get our red glitter. Boom. And we're just going to do that. Tell me that isn't just beautiful. Oh, I love the ruby glitter. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So gorgeous. So beautiful. Just flawless. I don't even think we need a second coat. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it right here. Right there. Oh, see, look. We need to add a little more glitter here and a little more glitter there. All right. See, I like how we check before we put the glitter sealer, because once you put the glitter sealer, the glitter ain't going nowhere. You know what I mean? Bam. Alright, now that we've covered those edges, we're gonna grab our glitter sealer. and spray it down so the glitter don't go anywhere when we ship and whatnot, and so that it doesn't get all over Brett and Carly's room and stuff. So hopefully it turns out nice. Alright, this is the final canvas. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you for watching my video on how to make this. Don't forget to click on his link in my description if you want to check out his channel. He has comedy and skits and does live videos to try to promote small YouTubers if you're into that, because I am totally a small YouTuber and he helped me out. So show some love, like, comment, subscribe, tell me your thoughts, what you guys think.